I think everybody can see me. Good afternoon. Okay. So I'm trying to load my notes. So welcome to my class. Um I'm Madam Joy. I'll be taking you through ICT and ethics. So be patient with me. There's a problem with my device here. I'm trying to load my notes. I'm trying to load my notes. Just be patient with me, kindly. Yeah, I think everybody can see my screen. Now, I'll be taking you through ICT and ethics, and our topic today is computer hardware and organization. Now, what is computer hardware or what are computer hardware devices? So, computer hardware devices they comprise of various components which are interconnected together so as to perform a certain task. So when you're saying about computer hardware, so it is an umbrella term that refers to the physical component of the computer or the tangible parts. They are required for a computer to function. And these hardwares, hardwares are, you find the hardware in internal, classified into two. It can be internal, and others might be external. So when we are saying the internal, external it means the physical part of the computer that you can see outside. For example, a desktop, a mouse, a keyboard. Mm, you can what is the other one? The mouse, the keyboard, the printers, the desktop, or the screen. All those are the external devices or the external part of the computer, the hardware parts. The other internal hardware parts which are mostly found inside the computer. And we say that the hardware parts of the computer they are touchable. It doesn't mean uh, when they are inside they are not touchable. As long as they are inside or outside, they are touchable parts of the computer. So all those are computer hardware. So when these computer hardware are interconnected together, they perform a certain task. So the purpose of a computer is processing. And what do a computer do? It just you input the data. After that, it processes the data. There is an output. Then after output, there is the storage. Now, each piece of a computer has specific purpose. For example, there is a central processing unit which does execution or it processes a written code software, and there is another that is external disk drive, which is in the primary source of storage of data and instructions on a computer. Now, when you're saying about computer organization, this one refers to the how how the hardwares are arranged and how they are interconnected. As you can see, there's a picture below there. As you can see, there's a picture below there. This picture, there's a desktop, there's a monitor, there's a keyboard, there's mouse, there's the central processing unit, that is the system unit. So as you can see, they are connected together so that they perform a certain task. So that one is the one that we refers to the computer organization, and it just forms a computer system. Now, when you're talking about computer system, it means a combination of various components together so that they can perform a certain task. Now, the computer system consists of the data input, whereby human beings, or the ones who are using the computers, they input the data, that is through typing. So when you're typing a document, it means that you are entering data into the computer. Then, then after that, the processing starts. The processing starts. That is data processing, which is done in the central processing unit. The other one is after that, after processing of the data, there is an output. Output, and this output is into two forms. That is the soft copy or the hard copy, and the other one copy means it's something that you can save or you can store in your computer. And the hard copy, it means there's something that you can print out. Then after output, there's what we call the storing. After that, you store. That is how now you store. That is, you save or you print a document. You print a document. So in the next topic, we shall look at the computer architecture. We shall look at the computer architecture. Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Now, when you are saying about the internal and the externals, all those are hardware. We are saying that anything when we are saying about the hardware, it means something that you can touch. When you're saying about computer hardware, it means it is something which is touchable, like a keyboard, like a mouse, all those. When you're sitting next to your computer, or whatever you normally see or touch is hardware. But these hardwares, they are classified into two, or they are grouped into two. There is the internal and external. External is what you see when seated, but the internal is those parts which are inside the system unit. I think unaonanga ile box, the box that you normally see there, it has a lot of components inside it. So all those components, they are internal components. So anything which is touchable, but it is inside a computer, is what we call the internal hardwares. Are you okay now? Okay. Okay. So in the next class, we shall look at computer architecture. Computer architecture. Okay, goodbye.